don't go and take this personal. I know that you mean well. Put your feet up, stay a while, 'cause it's the last time I can tell that you'll be around. You know one day I'ma wonder what you don't want from me. Holding your weight, but I won't fall down to your feet where I will crawl. I'm done breaking my own heart, sacrificing for your love. Tears down a bottle of rosé. You be rubbing on me the wrong way, cleansing my toxins, I can't stay. You're so awful in my brain. Yeah, I may miss you now. Yeah, I think about you now, but there's so much more around. I can't live just breaking down. Do you mind if I can love someone to take my chances, my body be to me what you won't be? So do you mind if I can love someone? Though you hurt, play, don't appreciate me, why do I stay? So do you mind? Do you mind? Do you mind if I can love someone? So do you mind if I can love someone? What your mama say? Don't waste your patience on these basics. I know that you plan on waiting for what's yours and what's been taken. Yeah, you know one day you're gonna make me wonder if you were the one for me, or were you just saying what I wanted?